Welcome to our channel, friends. Today we try to generate the electricity from the salt water. So for that we required 4 glasses and copper and zinc connected wires, 3 sets, friends. One, this is the copper and this is zinc. This is the 2 and this is the 3, friends. Sorry. This is the third one, friends. This is the copper and zinc. These are the 3 sets and one the zinc to the, this is a clipper and this is the copper to the clipper and one buzzer and the digital multimeter or a voltmeter for measuring the voltage, friends. And we need to have it as a glass of water. I am keeping aside, friends, and we need to have it as a salt, friends, table salt, so that we regularly use in our home, friends. So now let us start the demo, friends. So first we need to keep these 4 glasses like this, friends. Okay. Next we need to put these things in this one. This is the copper coming to this side. So in order to not touch with this one, what we try to do, we are applying the one tape over here, friends, such a way that it will not move, friends. One side I am putting such a way that the disturbances cannot be seen, so that it will not touch the water, friends. Okay, I am taking one more piece. So one side only it has been there. I am keeping like this, so it has to touch the ground. Okay, so this is the one thing, friends. Similarly, I am keeping the other. So this is the zinc. So we are keeping as like this, friends. And one more thing is like this. So everything should contain one zinc and one copper, friends. So in order to not touch, what we are doing is one side we are putting as a plaster, such a way that it will not touch. Okay, it will not move, friends. So and here we are putting over the things. Here also we are putting like this. Yeah. So this is the setup. We try to move it. And the last, so this is the I think this is the zinc. So I am putting the copper over here and try to see like this, and I am taking onto the silver. I am putting on zinc. So like this, friends. Okay, and now we need to, in order to not disturb, so I am over here, friends, one plaster, and in order to not touch the setup, I am putting over the thing, friends, so that it will not move. So we can see the testing over here, friends. So now let us see salt mixed water. So it is already been there. So I am pouring one after other. Should not touch up to the glass. So this is second, and this one is touched, so we have to uplift. So this is also, so we try to see something which has been adjusted such a way it will not touch. Otherwise we have to take a precautionary steps, friends. Otherwise the LED will not glow. So anything it has been. So now here also, so we need to make some adjustment. The rod should not touch. And here, see here, friends, here, friends, here it is touching. So we need to put a little outside of the water, connecting wire, and here, friends. So after this we need to see the how much the voltage has been generated, taking as an multimeter. Now we try to see. Now I am touching and the positive side and the negative side. Sorry. So it has been touching to the just minute, friends. So I am keeping for your reference is here, and I was testing these two. So here it is generating as an 0.32 friends, 0.33 friends. So now let me take it as a buzzer and we try to see whether it is generating the current or not. So this is the one. So that is it is not. So we are changing the direction. So we are changing the direction. So here still it is not generating. So what I am doing is I am taking a glass of salt and putting onto the here, here. You can see. Okay. So like this, and I need to adjust the strips. It is not dipping inside the water, friend. See, now there is something we need to separate the way that it will not touch. One thing we should not touch. Second one we have to move this one. So this is also, and this is also we need to separate. This is also we need to separate. It did not, and this is also. After doing as an rearrangement, now let us see the voltage. So here if you can take it, and here you can see it out, there is called as an the voltage is fluctuating, and it is 0.5, 0.4, 0.41. so like that it has been generating. So now let us see it. Now let us see it. So now you can see the voltage also. The voltage is also fluctuating. So 0.7. And hear the sound. You can hear the sound. So you can hear the sound. So only the tip over here it is. So these things should not touch onto the water, that connecting places, and the plate should be towards the glass. So if you like my content, share, subscribe and comment if you have any doubts. Thank you, friends. Bye.